Hello guys, Philsor here back with another video, and it is another 3 packs of NBA hoops. Found these at my local shoppers and thought I would pick them up just because all they really sell there is hoops, so I thought it'd be nice to get some basketball. So we're just going to quickly skim through the base here, looking like we got a teal explosion, which is nice. Just because it's NBA hoops base. Nobody really cares for it. So Ja Morant, second year. Nuggets, Paul Millsap, teal explosion. So we got a Damian Lillard vanity plates. Ooh, look at that. We got a NBA slam of Ja Morant. I will take that in the Vancouver Grizzlies uni. That's pretty cool. So I'll put that in the hits column. We got Ben Simmons, light camera action. We got Sadiq Bey, Tyler Bey, Theo Maledon, Cole Anthony, Josh Green, and Killian Hayes rookies. Pack number 2. All right, so another teal explosion. So hopefully this one will be a rookie. Let's see. So Spencer Dinwiddie, NBA hoops. We got Duncan Robinson, teal explosion. We'll put that in the hits. We got a slam of Allen Iverson with the fro. We got James Harden, lights, camera, action. Aaron Naismith, class of 2020. Haven't seen that insert yet, but that's pretty cool. Rookie. We got Bullmard, Tyrell Terry, RJ Hampton, Nick Richards, Kenyon Martin Jr., and Elijah Hughes. All right. So last pack magic, hopefully. All right. So looking to break it out with a teal explosion again. Hopefully, rookie. So I see the rookie shield on the side there. So Kobe White, second year. For Detroit Pistons, Isaiah Stewart. Yep, look at that, Isaiah Stewart. He's actually been doing pretty well the last couple days since he started. So a teal explosion of Isaiah Stewart. I will take that. A Pascal Siakam vanity plates. A LeBron James light camera actions. Arriving now of Desmond Bain, Michael Flynn, Oturu, Winston, Trey Jones, Emmanuel Quickley, and Anthony Edwards. So that's a pretty way to end the day with an Anthony Edwards. So yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.